Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to take your fat loss journey to the next level, you're in the right place. Today we're going to break down some fascinating science behind how your body burns fat and energy. And more importantly, we're going to show you how to use this knowledge to speed up your fat loss. So let's dive right in. The biochemical process. All right, here's the cool part. When you eat carbohydrates and fat, your body breaks them down and turns them into energy. But do you know what the byproducts are? Most people don't. It's not just energy. The byproducts are water and carbon dioxide, CO2. Let me explain how that works. When you eat carbs, they get converted into glucose. Your cells use glucose to make ATP, which is the energy your body runs on. The byproducts, you guessed it because I just told you, is water and carbon dioxide. Now, the same thing happens when you burn fat. Fats get broken down into fatty acid, which also gets converted into ATP with water and carbon dioxide, or CO2, as the byproduct. So what does this mean for fat loss? Every time you burn fat, you're not just burning calories, you're also producing water and CO2, which means your body is actively processing that fat. Now, here's how we can use this knowledge to accelerate fat loss or fat oxidation. The more fat your body burns, the more ATP you generate and the more water and CO2 you produce. So the goal is to burn fat efficiently. That means shifting your body into fat burning mode by reducing carbs and increasing fat intake. Also, we have at our disposal intermittent fasting. When you fast, your body runs out of glycogen, which is the stored form of carbs, and it starts using fat for energy instead of sugar. Now, this process is called fat oxidation. It not only helps you burn fat, but it also produces the CO2 and water we talked about earlier. So fasting can be a powerful tool to accelerate fat loss. Next, another tool in our basket, other tool in our shed, we got low carb diets and ketosis. By cutting carbs, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it uses fat instead of carbs for energy. Now, this makes fat the primary fuel source. And again, this result is more fat burning, creating more water and CO2. Plus, you'll start producing things like ketones, which are an efficient energy source for the brain and body. All right, now that we understand the science, how can we apply it to get the best results? Adopt a low carb, high fat, or low carb, medium fat, medium protein diet. This will help you enter fat burning mode faster and stay there. So by reducing carbs, you're encouraging your body to use more fat for energy, increasing fat oxidation. Also keeps your insulin level low, so we can use those 4 other hormones we had talked about earlier: epinephrine, cortisol, glucagon, and human growth hormone. So incorporate intermittent fasting. Fasting helps you burn through glycogen and shifts your metabolism to fat burning. Powerful way to activate fat loss. If I haven't eaten in 20 hours, it's common sense. What am I burning? I'm burning the body's stores of fat. I'm using those 4 unsung heroes that we spoke about earlier. Next, we want to exercise regularly. Cardio and resistance training can help you burn more ATP, pushing your body to break down even more fat for energy. This means more fat burning and more CO2 and water as byproducts. Hydrate. Don't forget, when fat breaks down, water is produced. But you still need to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and help you eliminate the CO2 your body's producing. Proper hydration also supports overall metabolic function. Finally, let's talk about insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps store fat. Keeping insulin levels low is key to fat loss, which is why fasting and low carb diets work so well. I got graphs and everything on that, which I'll share in another video. The lower your insulin, the more your body is going to break down fat for energy. That's the magic of fat burning. So there you have it. By understanding how your body processes carbs and fats into water, ATP, and carbon dioxide, we can optimize fat loss by making strategic changes to our diet and lifestyle. Focus on low carb eating. I would say less than 150 grams a day, which is not that strict. It's like 600 calories a day coming from carbs. So focus on low carb eating, fasting, exercise, and hydration, and watch your body transform. All this is in our protocol, the Dobson Life Shift Mind Shift protocol. We email that to all of our new clients to get them started. Many don't read it because they doing their weekly check-ins. They ask me the same questions that I sent to them in the protocol package. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed tips on fat loss and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.